Joy and heartbreak this evening. A young girl is celebrating after being reconnected with a baby she believes is hers. However, a family is heartbroken that the baby they have bonded with for the last 4 months could be taken away from them. TVJ's Anthony LUGG explains.
4-month-old Nair Frank was stolen from his teenaged mother as they walked along Russell Road in St. Andrew on October 13. At that time, Nair was 5 weeks old. A car with 3 men aboard drove up and one of the men forced her into the vehicle, took the 5-week-old baby and pushed the teenager from the moving vehicle. On Wednesday morning, police swooped down on this property along Finch Crescent in St. Andrew where the baby was found. A woman was taken into custody. A senior investigator told TVJ News the child underwent a medical examination after he was found this morning. The investigator said Nair's mother identified the child based on a birthmark. However, a DNA test was still conducted. The child's grandmother told our news team she's elated he has been found.
I'm just happy and he's okay. He's going by the hospital now.
Talk to me about some things that happened while you were in there, just briefly. Some of the stuff that happened. What the process you went through?
Well, cry, couldn't sleep, no, couldn't eat. Sleepless night. It was just a sad moment.
Okay.
How's your daughter? Well, now she's happy, crying.
As the family awaits the test results, the man who has been calling baby Nair his grandson for the last 3 months says the thought of the baby not coming back to his home is painful.
The whole family accept this baby, start bonding with this baby. No one could have said that this baby wasn't a baby because we're doing everything. This baby, even one of the officers said that this baby were like in good health. The baby was well taken care of. This baby was getting attention like 24 hours a day.
But the question being asked is whether the family found anything strange before today.
Olivia, a pregnant girl. She came back with a baby. I mean, the whole family, everybody, friends, family, the whole community accept this baby as one of our home. Right? We even named the baby. We have given the baby a name, Surprise.
He's making this appeal to the authorities.
I'm just hoping that when everything comes to light, the authority or the relevant authority won't be so hard on her because, I mean, this young lady has got through a lot.
So, as one family awaits the results from the DNA test, the other is waiting to see whether or not charges will be laid. Anthony LUGG, TVJ News.